Yamaha's EF5500 and EF7200 generators are power-packed and loaded with features. Now with the added protection of a CO sensor to shut the engine off if a high level of carbon monoxide is detected, and dual GFCI 120-volt 20-amp outlets provide additional protection. Clean and consistent power is accessible with an RV-ready 30-amp twist-lock outlet and prepared for home backup with 120 and 240-volt dual voltage 4-prong 30-amp twist-lock outlet. Operation is effortless with an optional electric start feature. Economy mode optimizes fuel consumption for longer run times by automatically adjusting engine speed based on demand. The digital hour meter logs total hours as a reminder for servicing. Yamaha supplies consistent power ideal for projects, recreation, or emergency backup. The EF5500 and EF7200 are powered by a durable Yamaha 357cc overhead valve engine with a low oil warning system that protects the engine if oil levels drop. All Yamaha generators are also backed by a 3-year limited warranty. While maintaining powerful performance and enhanced protection, Yamaha remains a leader in portable generators. The Yamaha EF5500 and EF7200 generators.